Esther was a Jewish girl who became a queen in a far away called Persia. She was known for her beauty, kindness, and bravery. Esther was an orphan who was raised by her cousin Mordecai. She lived in Persia during the time when King Xerxes ruled. Esther was chosen to be a queen in Persia, even though she was afraid. She trusted in God's plan for her life. One day, a man named Haman made a plan to harm all the Jewish people in Persia. Esther's cousin Mordecai urged her to speak up the king and save her people. Esther bravely approached King Xerxes, risking her own life, and revealed Haman's wicked plan. The king listened to Esther and saved her people from harm. Because of Esther's bravery and God's intervention, the Jewish people were saved from destruction. They celebrated their victory and praised God. Easter's story teaches us about courage, standing up for what's right, and trusting in God's plan even when things seem scary. Easter's bravery and faith made a big difference in the lives of people. Let's remember her story and be inspired to be brave and trust in God, just like she did. Thank you for watching and listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed learning about her. Once again, I am Kensley Wayne Visabig.